What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast and pag-uusapan natin yung nangyari sa PBA 50th draft. And I must say, it's a surprising draft. It's not the kind of, what do you call this, yung 1 to 12 natin, how it would look like. Actually, yung buong mock draft natin nasira. I'm sure marami sa inyo rin nasira yung mock draft. Nobody has gotten it
Yeah, we're
perfect or at least
never.
10 of 12. And let me
Mhm.
start this off no guys. So yung ano natin, yung flow natin will be biggest surprises and then we're gonna do biggest risers, biggest fallers, and then biggest steals. So, three categories na yung pag-uusapan natin dito. We're not gonna go through every pick. But before all that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, follow 5-star rating on Spotify. So for me, I think I speak for the three of us, no. It's the Gio Chu at one, and then Juan Gomez Del Llano falling at two. I think that's
Is
one of
that
the bigger
really?
surprises.
Is that really the biggest surprise? Come on, come
Outside the
on,
group chat, outside without all that noise. I mean, for
come
everybody.
on.
Kasi sa ibang group chat ko na walang, like the stuff we talk about in our group chat, some people who really don't know the inside info are really shocked. They're like, why is Gio Chu number one? Blah, blah, blah. But it's still a shocking part considering that Juan Gomez Del Llano is the head and shoulders, the better talent on paper.
Yeah, I know that. I know it's a generally big surprise, but is that the biggest surprise? I think there was a big one at number 11.
Mamaya, we're gonna get there. Hindi to Barangay Hinebra podcast.
There's a big-
This guy
Mamaya na
cannot
yan.
help
Mamaya na
himself,
yan.
brother.
Mamaya na
You
yan.
said
Dito.
biggest surprises. I said okay. I know.
Surprises! You
Yeah, was it? Were you not
Let's first
surprised?
pwede bang daanan muna natin to bago
That's
natin
it.
pwede bang daanan muna natin to? O
Fine,
sige.
fine.
I had to reverse because of what.
Somebody might oh go. Anyway,
No,
for the first and second pick, anong sa tingin nyo? Do you agree with
no.
how things have played out?
Honestly, man, it's not the worst thing in the world. Ikaw lang naman yung may
Mm.
Gio at 5 eh.
Mm.
So I think everybody else had him at 1, 2, or 3. So honestly, it's
I
not
had
the
agendas.
biggest.
I had
Yeah,
agendas.
you had agendas which did not make it even close. You wanted the biggest, you got the smallest, but it's okay.
Hey man, I tried my best. I talked to Gio a while ago. Sabi ko, sana mag-fall ka sa 5. Sabi niya, sana kuya. Yun lang yung nireply niya sa akin kanina. Kita kami kanina eh. It's so funny. He was
Dito,
dropping to
dito to ang
5.
gusto sabihin. Dito to ang gusto sabihin ni Gio nung sa asa ka kuya. Pero,
Asa ka kuya pero dahil magkakilala na tayo,
ah,
wala na akong comment.
yeah, but dude,
Oh.
it's honestly it's fine. Gio going at 1, Juan going at 2. Medyo
Mm.
surprised lang ako na Converge would take Juan at number 2 kasi madami mo
Mm.
ng guards eh. Meron ka ng um you have Stockton,
Stockton,
you have
Shawnee.
Shani, you're supposed to have Mikey, 'di ba?
Their news. That's why Jacob's
Yeah,
back. That's the reason why he's back.
yeah, or
We'll have Mikey.
yeah, if they get Mikey, that's another crazy thing to add. So yeah, honestly, medyo mas surprise ako na Converge would take a point guard. Pero kasi if we're looking at the talent pool, after Gio,
Best available talent na.
best
Yun na
available
yung
talent na yun eh. Kasi yung Ladis Lepalam na nakala nating 12th
first
pick,
round.
naging ano yun eh. Naging 40th pick ata siya eh. So like, man, I guess in this draft, it was really outside of Gio Chu, who is the biggest player in a while, it just becomes best talent available. That's what Juan Gomez de Leano is.
Mm.
Um, I'm surprised too. Diba kasi parang for me
Mm.
it's I don't know what Terra Firma deserve or did para ma-deserve nila lagi yung top overall pick every year. And then it's either they mess up the
You know
pick
the
or
answer to that, Graham.
pinamimigay
You
nila.
know the
Oh
I
answer.
know,
man.
I know, I
You
know, I
know
know.
the answer to that.
Actually, I
Oh
know the
man.
answer. But man,
Oh
it's so
man.
frustrating. For me, I already answered two of your questions. Biggest drop off, Juan Gomez de Leano. Biggest rise, Gio. That's it. Dali lang no kasi it's
Was he really the biggest rise though? Come
Hey,
okay,
we're
we're
gonna
gonna
get the
get to that. We're
appetizer pa
gonna get
lang
to that
tayo. Nasa
in
appetizer
still
pa
of
lang
the draft.
tayo.
But
We
me,
are in the
brother,
appetizer round, boys.
if you're terra firma,
Appetizers.
bakit mo kukunin si Gio Chu? When what you need is a scorer na kasi nawala na sa si Stanley Pringle, who else do you have to carry your offense?
Oh,
Jiu-Jitsu.
yeah. Gio
My
Chu.
God,
Jiu-Jitsu.
that's not true, brother. I heard better lies from from politicians. I'm telling you that. So
Eh, magaling mga yun eh.
yeah, yun nga, 'di ba? So it doesn't make sense to me. like Gio would have been good at Converge. Probably not. Probably Blackwater dapat siya. And then one would
Best
have
fit
been
was Blackwater.
Blackwater, and then he would definitely be great at ano si Juan would definitely be great at Terra Firma, but Terra Firma is not
Yeah.
great. So
Mm.
I get it, but I'm just not a fan of uh Juan going to number two. Like he's the best player in this draft, and he goes to number two. Is this gonna be a Kevin Durant kind of situation? Parang
I mean,
because
again, brother, end of day, Gio Chu, again, we have to remember Gio Chu is a Gilas player. He's 7 foot, no, or 6'11". I forgot one of
Yeah.
the two.
And again, we saw him in SGA, so I
And
think that's our
yeah,
biggest
yeah,
advantage.
hindi naman siya Maurice Shaw or Kem Holmqvist na
Mhm.
you
Ibang klase
haven't
yun, no?
seen them. Yan yung mga 7'2", 7'3" players na you've never seen them play. You're just genuinely hoping na magaling sila. Si Gio naman, I think somewhat some way, medyo may
Steady climb.
napatunayan naman na siya
Mm.
kahit pa paano. Although there
Yeah.
are people who say na sa Abra mas gamit pa si Raven Gonzalez and all that and whatever. But then again, you can't really teach the 6'11" height man.
I agree.
So and ayun, I guess that's what Terra Firma was looking for. It's Coach Ronald Tubid's team now. So yeah, and now that
I'm scared.
it's now
I'm
Coach
scared,
Delta
bro.
Pineda's team. It's Coach Delta
Yeah.
Pineda's team now. Yeah.
It's
Now
Coach Delta's team.
Coach Delta wants to put up a security guard agency with all the guards he has. So it's that's basically it now. But it's fine, honestly. I wouldn't be surprised sa totoo lang. Hindi ako mabibigla if may um matatrade from Converge in their guard
Mm.
rotation. Uh Honestly, if you trade you Alex Stockton has pretty high value, no?
Yeah, he has high
Uh
value. Yun yung feeling ko.
Yes,
exactly.
yes.
If there's gonna be a
Yeah.
trade, it's Alex Stockton that you dangle.
Exactly. And Alex Stockton come for a forward or yeah, a forward siguro kasi yun na lang siguro yung kulang ng Converge. Probably. That's what you do. Maybe shined. Maybe they signed Shawnee para i-trade din siya because in that aspect, who knows. But many moves we see it now na a lot of these PBA teams medyo marami silang gustong galaw eh.
Yeah. So yun yung ano
And
natin for
did you guys see the
yeah.
new rule? Did you guys see the new rule?
The number one pick na cannot be
Yeah,
traded. Yeah.
yeah, cannot be
Yes,
traded
they have
for
to
two
play muna
years.
for 2 years.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They like make jokes on it. It's a good joke.
Funny, dudes. That's funny, man. Ang galing, man. I
Another
like how
one
these, I like how these things, yung mga rules ng PBA, biglaan na nilang pinapalabas.
during the
Biglang
draft.
may 3-year ban
Ito
right
during
after
the
Jamie
draft, pero
Malone. So, oh. Tapos yung 2-year rule, biglang right before Gio2 gets picked, sinasabi nila. It's a weird timing on all these rules, man. Like, it's weird.
but okay, I guess.
That's okay. Good job. I mean, it's a fine rule, I guess. Sure. But, but the timing of it all, man, it's so stupid.
Mm, all right, let's move on to the next surprise here before we move to number 11 is actually Will Gozum. Will Gozum falling to 8 from
Yeah.
a mock draft na most people have it at the top 5. But yun nga, in our group chat at least, we were talking to one another na Will didn't have the best of combines. That's the reason why he fell down to what we expected him to be. First round pa rin, pero out of the top 5. Diba?
Hmm.
He fell to 8. So Kai Balungay, Will Gozum, nice front court to experiment with under Coach John na naman tayo, Coach Willie Wilson. So for me, Will is a
John Wilson.
surprise. John, sexy shot.
Sexy shot.
Ano,
Sexy
I
shot
watched a lot
Wilson.
of John Wilson in my day.
The Jensen Warriors. That's a lot of
Tapos
the Jensen
nagbasilan ba
Warriors.
siya? Jensen muna, di
Not
ba?
sure.
But do you
Jensen.
remember him
Anyway,
sa MPBL? I remember him sa Hinebra. What are you talking
I
about?
don't remember him sa Inebra.
Okay, got it.
Brother, Nico
Was he
doesn't watch
memorable?
Ginebra games. Nico doesn't watch Ginebra games until
Especially in time
realized
ni John Wilson. Especially in time ni John Wilson. I don't watch Inebra
he
games yung
wasn't,
time na yun.
he wasn't watching
Kangkong era
those.
ba yun? Kangkong era ba
Oo,
yun?
brother, masakit yun. Masakit na panahon
All
yun.
the
Oo.
more hindi ko pinanood. Okay.
Oo.
So,
Oo. Yun yung mga
shoutout pala kay
panahon
Mario,
pinagdala.
TST.
Yeah, what's up, guys? I'm OFW vibes. Pero okay
Oh,
lang.
anyway, what do
Uh,
you think about Will Gosling? Was that a surprise or
Honestly, I'm more surprised. Also, I just want to say this for everybody who was coming for the souls of me, Grim, and Nigo, saying that Phoenix wants a big man. Oh, did they get it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Did
malaki na?
they get it?
Do you want shout out next episode?
Come on,
Shut
guys,
up.
please, guys. Like we know they want a big man, but there's only one available. There's only
Oh,
one.
the next
Come
big
on,
man is Ladis Lepal, who
the
ended
next,
up all the way to fourth
yeah.
round. We're gonna discuss that later.
I swear to God, man. Y'all gotta understand. But yeah, eighth, no, knowing what we know about Will, yung
Yeah.
medyo the injuries caught up with him a bit. Tapos not the best draft combine. He looked a bit slower. Going to eighth is not a surprise at all. Kasi you're willing to take that chance naman pa rin kay Will eh. Parang Lusty Mosa
Mm.
lang. Parang Jerome. Na, di ba before Magnolia drafted him,
Mm.
not many people wanted. Oh, where'd Graham go?
I think that is connect. He'll just connect back. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
he'll just come back. Yeah,
Yeah, this is Graham.
before people draft before Magnolia drafted MJ Jerome he
Michael Jordan.
before they
MJ
drafted
Lastimoso pa yung
Jerome.
sasabihin mo, loko ka. Pagod na. Pagod na.
It's been a long day. Before he drafted Jerome, people were worried about him. So low, parang for me, medyo low risk, high reward for Phoenix yung Converge. I mean, yung Gozum pick. 'Di ba? Like, if he ends up like the old Will Gozum, you have a nice core of Balungay, Gozum, and Tyler Tio.
Yeah,
Wala
may
kang pa
Evan
ring
Nelly
point
ka
guard,
pa.
pero go lang.
You have Evan. You have Evan Nelly now.
Phoenix?
Yeah, he got traded. Yun yung three-team trade
Ah,
na yung Larry
I didn't see.
Moyang. Yun. Yun yung Evan Nelly, Larry
Ah, oo nga pala.
Moyang. And
Oo nga
yeah.
pala.
So they got a legit
Oo nga
point guard
pala.
now in
Pwedeng
Evan.
point guard yun ah. Yeah, that's a good
Evan.
point guard.
Magagamit na
That's a
siya.
very nice young core. That's a very nice young core,
Mm.
man.
All
So
you
I
up
like
team,
it.
no?
Again, kulang pa rin nila. Yeah,
An
all you
all
up team
UAP
yan.
team. Yeah.
Yeah, next soon to be Mike Phillips. Na joke lang.
Oh, I don't know. I
Di
don't
na,
think
but
Phoenix
he
falls.
has to
Yeah,
be
di
first.
na.
Have to. You need to be first pick to get Mike Phillips. The only
Mike
time
Phillips.
anyway. Yeah, or Q. If Q and
No,
Mike draft at the same time, that would be kind
oh,
of fun.
that's
But
an
anyway,
episode in itself. Q or
yeah.
Mike, and then
We talked about it, di ba? The
Yeah, we
other
did. We talked about it a bit, but then like,
briefly.
we
yeah, we
briefly
talked about it
just
very
brushed
briefly.
it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
sige.
yeah, dude.
Your favorite part. Uh, the biggest surprise actually at number 11 was Sonny Estil. Papanga
Yeah,
Giant Lantern. So, why was this a surprise for you para mga kabarangay? Anong bang ine-expect nyo sa 11th pick? Sino ba yung first preference nyo? This is, by the way, the MVP of the draft combine for those
this
who
was
missed
the
that.
MVP of the draft combine.
Sonny
So
Estil.
yeah, and I'll be so real. And if you tell me, if anybody tells me that they knew exactly
Nobody
who
knew it.
this
Nobody
man
knew.
was before the draft day, I will.
The Jonard Clarito, ano?
Oh my God. You know, like those, alam mo yung mga LeBron lies, yung, yeah, I knew he was gonna be great. Come on.
Yeah, he scored 81, di ba?
I knew Kobe. I felt it that day. Kobe was gonna score 81. Come on, dude. That's not dude. Like I'm sure some niche person out there knew who Sonny Estil was. And I think we ended up knowing his name after he won the MVP of the draft combine. But I don't think any of us expected him to go 11th, man. To Ginebra. I don't know about you.
I didn't expect Sonny Estil to go to the first round. I would have picked a more established star. Yun nga, like, kung sino man yung mga natira pa at that point.
So, yeah.
No,
Yeah.
Sahonia went far, man. Sahonia went. Honestly,
Layo ni Brian Sohonia.
I would say na I'm more surprised Ginebra didn't take Jack Cruz Dumont.
Yeah, Jack
I
Cruz Dumont could have been perfect. Uh,
yeah.
di ba CJ Austria? May ingay na si CJ Austria was being
Yeah.
considered by Barangay Ginebra. Who else?
Exactly. There are so many names. Wait lang, let me check
Kay
the
Simon
list.
Sandagon niya, Vince Magbuhos pwede. At
Simon
11,
Sandagon.
Vince
Simon
Magbuhos.
Sandagon would have been fine. Vince,
Mm.
meron yung napick na Mario Barasi. It's Graham was like, Graham said yes.
Sino
In the
pumili ng
prophet,
Barasi sa inyo? Sino
prophet.
pumili ng Barasi sa inyo?
Si Graham.
Ako,
Ang galing mo,
ako,
Grem, ha? Sakto ka dun, ha?
the prophet. Hindi, sa Blackwater ko siya pinili. But,
Excuse me,
hey,
the false prophet. You
False.
got you
man,
gotta live up to that
This
title.
guy keeps removing the
yeah,
word false
Oo.
whenever he says it. He just
man,
says
but,
the prophet.
man, parang ito
Selective
yung
hearing
sinapon
si Grem, eh.
Oh, they called me the prophet. No, no, they called me a false one.
Hindi ko ito
Still
sinasabi mo na
prophet.
parang hit or miss, di ba? Itong
Sino?
si Estil. It's hit or miss.
Yeah.
They
It's a
can
hit or
either hit
miss.
the
He's a
jackpot or
raw Troy
no.
Rosario. He's a raw Troy
Are you
Rosario.
going
That's a project.
backwards?
No, he's not moving. The car is going
Oh, the car
forward.
was moving forward. I was
Yeah,
like,
and he's
No,
not
may
moving.
truck na tumaan sa ano ko.
Oh, yun. So he's not moving, but the car. To physics. Oh, anyway.
dude, I was like,
But,
what?
but hey, man, the, I'm not a fan of it right now kasi hindi ko siya sobrang kilala like the established names. And shout out to you, Nico, fooling us with TJ Austria daw pipiliin ng Ginebra. You're
You know,
crazy.
I did a Mario. I pulled the Mario. Mario does that all the time. He
Yeah.
just says
Dude,
something out of.
Me and Graham were already stressed when you said that, and then they pulled
Mas
out,
na-stress pa kayo. And then I was
they
like, no,
pulled
I'm just joking. It's
out the
Sonny
Uno
Austin.
reverse.
And you're like, ano ba? Ha? Parang mas malala eh.
To
They
be
pulled out the
honest, man,
Uno
I was
reverse.
expecting I was
What were
expecting
you
si
expecting?
Ladis Lipalam at
Oh,
the
stop
Scotland.
it!
Really?
Oh
Talaga?
my
Siya,
Oh,
god!
like,
hindi ako
to be
nagbibiro.
honest, siya talaga yung na-expect mo na
Yeah.
kukunin?
Da- Remember, di ba ngayon, dalawa kasing problem ng Ginebra, yung 3 position tsaka yung 5. Like,
Mm.
inaddress nila yung 3 with with this draft pick,
Sonny
di ba?
Estil. Oh.
Oo, kasi they could have easily picked Ladis Lipalam and, address the 5 position issue. But they did not. So, that's probably something they're gonna do in the off season. They're probably counting on
Yeah,
Isaac Go getting back. But
probably.
hey, if this guy turns out to be good, then we're wrong, and I'm happy with that.
I'm more surprised na 11 siya kasi Archie Concepcion, if I'm correct, also won MVP, di ba?
Yeah, he also won MVP.
Yeah, Archie won MVP and he was drafted in the third round or second
I
round.
don't remember. Di kasi tumagal si Archie rin sa PBA.
Yeah, and Archie didn't stay in the PBA long, so I'm surprised Ginebra would take the risk on a guy that did the same and not really well known. But again, we'll find out. Who are we to doubt the Ginebra scouting team, diba? They've gotten so many good players in the Scotties. They got Paul Garcia, and then they got Von Pesumal, who didn't. Not no, they didn't get one. That was SMB. But
Mm.
yeah, we'll never know. We'll never know. But hey, welcome to the barangay, Sonny is still and
Para
like
fan.
Graham. Yeah, and
Yeah,
like
yung
Graham
newest
said,
project
man.
nyo.
Like Graham said, like they hope you're the I hate saying this. They hope
Eh,
we hope that you're the
Still of the
Estil
draft.
the
of the draft.
Estil of the draft.
Like I hate that we say that, but it's fine.
The
Bro, this
Estil
guy
of
could
the draft.
either be this guy could either be Giannis or Jokic or a
That's
Darko
true.
Milicic, something like
Yeah,
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
exactly.
Why not? Yeah, draft and
Exactly.
stash. Parang
That's
ganun to.
Ako, I'm really fascinated with Dalf going at
Panobio.
number
Dalf
three,
Panopio, okay.
right? Number 3 with Blackwater. Is that
Mm.
See,
right?
I don't
Did he go to
Yeah, he's
Blackwater,
Blackwater?
number
diba?
3. He's number 3. He's with Blackwater. Diwat siya.
I'm more on
Baka
the
may...
side of I don't really understand why what these draft choices are, if I'm being very honest with you. Kasi Dalf Panopio, but may Cedric Bearfield ka? Like,
Mm.
do the two not what? Do the two
Sorry.
not go against each other? Or do the two not like coincide with one another? Tapos yung Terra Firma who picked up Gio, pero okay, you have a center who's your point guard who set up your center. Diba? Di naman, have we ever seen Gio Chu be the dominating back to the basket June Fajardo type? No, diba? But he's a guy you need to set up, and when you set him up, he'll play well. Yan yung that's how Gio Chu works, man. So I'm more surprised with these random picks. Chris Kuhn went 4 to Northport. Tama ba?
Oh, wait.
Chris
I just
Kuhn
got...
went.
Yeah, Chris Kung went at 4. Anyway, with the steal, I just got confirmation na hindi na daw siya maglalaro sa NCAA. Nasa MPBL na kasi siya now. So, hindi na siya
Oh,
mag-NCAA. So, automatic Hinebra na pala. Wala nang 101 for Sonny is still.
Oh, okay, okay,
So
okay.
I'm gonna erase all that epilogue. I'm gonna erase that part na lang sa pod of us talking about his NC. Para lang,
Go
just so you
ahead.
guys know. Anyway, yeah,
Okay, let
Chris
me
Kun at
know.
4. I really wish he landed at 5 sa NLEX, but that was surprising, no? Chris Kun at 4, tapos nag-drop si Brick. Actually, mamaya, we're gonna get to the
Brick
Yeah.
risers and
fell.
fallers na. Okay,
Brick
you wanna start
fell.
with biggest fallers? First one
Yeah,
is,
we can go with the fallers.
yeah, Jason Brickman.
Yeah,
Falling
I'm surprised.
to,
I'm surprised.
from what was he projected, 3-4. It was gonna be choose between Dolph and Brick. Naging ano, it's
Seven.
Dolph then Chris Kun. And then
Seven.
Yeah,
Brickman fell all the way to 7. Maybe
yeah.
siguro may concerns about him playing internationally, no? Siguro na, oh, I don't know. Feeling ko yun na yung naisip kong naisip na rason kung why teams would pass on Jason Brickman because of,
Why would you be concerned about that in the first place? Di ba
I
parang
don't know.
dapat nga plus yun because you played international?
I I
No, na
think
he might
honestly,
leave. Na he might leave for
Ah,
international
got it,
water.
got it. Okay.
dude, I truly believe kasi the team who had the best draft was actually Magnolia.
You
I
can.
I think Magnolia is the one who drafted properly out of everybody. They didn't need Jason Brickman or they didn't need
Dalf.
Brickman or
Ano,
Dalf because
Dalf.
they
Mga
have,
nauna.
yeah, they have Lasty, they have Mark Baroka, they have whoever. They needed
Oli.
a, yeah, oh yeah, sure. And then they needed a three-point shooter, a shooting forward to play alongside Javi. So now I like the lineup of you go 3-4-5, even though Zave is medyo short for the five position. Pero you go Javi, Yukian, Zave, tapos yung dalawang guard mo, Baroka and pwedeng Lastimosa, pwedeng Polly. That's a good lineup.
Maganda nga.
I think
Maganda
that's
nga.
a, 'di ba? Di ba, Grem? Uh,
Di, di ba,
Yeah.
Grim? Yeah. Yeah.
Grem.
Hindi ka na
Grem.
pinansin. Yeah. Sabi mo eh.
But yeah, I think Magnolia drafted really well. So Brick kind of fought once Jason fell out of the third and fourth. I'm not surprised he went seventh na. Yeah, he went seventh na after that. Kasi no other team really needed a point guard except for those positions that we said kanina.
True. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go, Grim.
I like
Anything else?
I like it. Ano, objectively speaking, I like it. Will I like it eventually?
Maybe.
Ah,
Oh man.
yeah.
Uh,
As a basketball fan, I like it. As a fan of a certain team, I don't like it. But
Kasi it
they
means
did
they
good.
did good. It means they did good.
They
It
did
means
good.
because
Yeah.
they did. Oh, look at Grim.
See,
Positive,
Look
man.
at this guy.
character
Look at
development.
this guy. Character
Character.
development. Oh
But
my
hey,
gosh.
that's ano, that's for me. Of course, obviously outside of the top picks, yun yung best sa ano sa first round. Actually, no, it's probably Brickman sa North.
No,
Brickman
Brickman's
Yeah.
falls.
with Tomeralco. He fell to Meralco.
To
Brickman
Meralco
went to
rather.
Meralco.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mm.
Brickman.
Brickman Meralco is fun. I like Brickman to Meralco. I think that's a fun pick. That's a fun match to play
So
with.
Yeah,
si
uh,
Newsome
Uh,
gawin mo ng 2 ulit. Newsome's gonna be at the 2.
yeah. Finally, as
You're gonna let Brick be the playmaker. Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
and now you low-key don't need to play Anjo Karam all
Anjo
those
Karam.
minutes.
Mga 5
Yeah.
7 minute spurts lang kapag ano
Yeah,
siguro.
yung spurt lang yung need mo ng energy guide. May Anjo Karam
Mm.
ka na. Hindi yung literal na aasahan mo siya for 30 minutes in a game, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Although
Anjo
maybe
ka.
although possibly kaya ni Boss Anjo, pero
Pero
Jason
may
Brickman.
Chris Banquero pa eh. So parang ano na talaga, hindi na si
Oh,
Karam yung
come
mawawalan
on.
talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi nalaro si
Uh,
Banquero more than Karam.
yeah. Yeah, of course.
Oo.
Of course. But yeah, I'm not really
Yeah.
not the worst thing in the world.
Actually, si Sonny is still
I'm
yung biggest riser though. That's the only
oh
riser I
yeah.
saw. Still
Oh, I
was
know.
lit.
I think
Nobody saw
they're,
it coming.
yeah, not a soul saw that. If you tell me, like I said, man, nobody in the world saw that shit coming.
But hey, if he does
Um,
well, edi good for you guys, 'di
yeah.
ba? Lahat tayo mali. Ito yung point na you
Hey man,
guys
I'm
are
no
glad
problem
to be
being wrong
proven
with this
wrong.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you are
no
glad
problem
to
at
be
all
proven
being.
wrong.
Dude, you know who I think got a pretty. I sorry, where are we right now? We're at the risers, but
Risers
are
and
we at risers
fallers.
and fallers?
Any,
Wala pa
you
tayo
can
sa steals,
you,
no?
wala pa tayo sa steals. let's finish our risers fallers muna.
Is
May isa
June
pa ako eh.
Roque not is June Roque not a pretty high riser?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, from second round, from middle second round, or last of
Yeah.
the second round, Jun
Pretty
Roque.
pretty
That's
yeah.
surprising for some of you guys. I thought Sean O'Malley would get picked over Roque
I
first.
thought Sean O'Malley would get picked
Mm.
first too. Probably a big faller to me was Tony Inot.
Tony Inot
Tony
fell
Inot was a
all the
pretty
way
big fall,
to
man.
3. And if Jacob didn't own or wasn't helping out with Converge, I felt like Tony would fall way faster, way down sa draft because Converge again, team manager is Jacob Lau. Jacob Lau is the they help SGA finances Benild. So may connection dun. So I feel like yun nga no, if Jacob wasn't part of Converge, I feel like Enot would land fourth, fifth pa nga eh.
Maybe. We'll never know,
Or
but
at worst undrafted.
I'm just very much surprised. I don't really understand why he
We have him
fell
in the
that
first round,
far.
right? We have him in the
Yeah.
first round.
I had him in the
Again,
first or max
wala
second na.
tayong visibility sa medical records niya. We don't know,
Yeah.
'di ba, where he is. So maybe that injury could have contributed sa massive fall para kay Tony. I didn't expect him to go all the way to 3.
Dude, I'm my thing here with this one is knowing Tony Inot as we know Tony Inot, he's gonna
Mm.
use this as the biggest fuel for CSB in the upcoming season. I feel like Tony's gonna go off in this upcoming season just to say na, hey man, you guys drafted me at whatever number,
Mm.
bro. I don't think he should have gone that low. I do not think Tony Enoch should have gone that low. There were a few names who got drafted before him who I don't think are better than him at all.
Mm.
But I can't say those names. That's gonna be rude now.
And then that's why
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think he's the steal of the draft. He's one of the steals, I should say. Him,
Pwede.
He
Tony lang.
also counts as the fifth steal of the draft.
Kaso lang, ang problema kasi, napunta na naman siya dun sa Converge na in theory, hindi naman siya kailangan eh. Di ba?
Yeah. Dude, Converge has
Mahirap.
so much good talent right
Di ba?
now. Yeah.
Super
It's kind
loaded.
of crazy. I think it was Graham who said na 3 years?
In
Tama ba?
yeah, 3 years, Converge is due for the championship. Mauna pa sa Magnolia yan eh. But, sorry. It's the, ano, But, hindi siya
It's the
kailangan
ano.
doon. But, brother, he's a steal at that point. Parang kumbaga yung what do you call this, yung sapatos ni Kobe na gamit na pero mabibili mo half price. Still yun. Pero di mo
Yeah.
kailangan.
I think it's a steal. I think it's a steal kasi look at the names who were drafted before him. Gab Gomez,
Mario
Mark
Barasi.
Shanko, Mario
Mario
Barasi who went
Barasi.
to the Barangay Ginebra Gene Kings, man. Like I'm surprised he went all the way to this round. Number 30, tama ba? 32?
34th. Wait, so round
I
1,
stopped
32.
counting. I stopped
Number
counting.
32. Yeah, number
yeah,
32,
32.
man. Yeah.
32nd pick.
Yeah, and then another steal I probably have in this draft is um
Wait
before I
lang,
go to my
may risers and fallers pa ako.
may riser
Who?
and follow ka ba? Sino?
Jack Cruz Dumont at 3. Jack
Oo.
Cruz fell all the way to
Did we already
third
say that?
round.
Did we already
Yeah.
say him?
No, nobody said
No, we
Jack
didn't.
Cruz Dumont yet. So,
Jack! Did we say he should
nobody
have gone
said,
to Ginebra?
hindi pa natin discuss na Jack Cruz is a faller. Hindi pa
Ah, yeah,
natin,
yeah naman.
oo.
Yeah, he's a
Yeah,
follow.
Jack Cruz Dumont fell all the way to the third round. To Blackwater.
Yeah.
So they got a
Blackwater's kind of
they got a
nice.
good looking squad then. Good looking
Yeah,
squad then with
Blackwater's kind
Dolph
of nice,
Panopio,
man.
Jack Cruz Dumont.
When you say
Good
good
picks rin
looking,
for
do you
Black.
mean ano?
It's also good
Aesthetically
look.
or basketball?
Is both.
Ah,
Hey, if you're talking about aesthetically for basketball, Ross did it again, baby.
Ross did it
Ross did
again.
it
Oh, it's
again,
your
Paul
boy
baby.
Micek.
Cole. Is it
It's
Michik
my
or Misek?
boy Cole. I forgot how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry, brother. I know you're
But he
watching this.
watches the pod.
Brother, I'm so sorry. I don't know how to pronounce the last name, but I think and and you guys will call me biased as hell for this, but I wanted him to go 13th to Ginebra, and he went all the way to 33rd
At least
to
nag-round
Rain or
3.
Shine. Yeah,
Bagay
dude,
sa kanya.
I think he should have been a bit higher. This guy's a shooter, man. This guy's a shooter. Like, And he fits yung rules ni Coach Yang na dapat gwapo lahat ng sumama sa Ross.
Oh
Uh,
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
yeah, kasha naman siya dun. So, I think he's another steal if you ask me. But going back to the rising and falling thing of Jack Cruz Dumont,
Mm.
uh, I, I I think even if he did fall based on our standards, I don't think
Mm.
it's that surprising for some. Kasi in his last season sa UE, was he that good?
He was alright. He's a starter
Didn't
pero
make enough noise.
he would have
Didn't
10,
make
15
enough
points. Hindi,
noise,
ang problema
man.
kay Jack kasi he would have 10, 15 points in the first game, second game is like 2. It's that bigla na lang magke-crater. He's inconsistent. Yun
Yeah,
yung problema
exactly,
kay Jack
exactly.
Cruz Dumont.
He's the ano, he's the Anthony Davis of Kirk Longs, probably. Something like
The
That is a
Anthony,
that okay. I like it. I like it. Wait. I got it. I got it. Yeah,
the
yeah.
Anthony
I don't hate it.
Dave.
I don't hate it. Kirk Long, like the Ateneo one.
yeah.
Yeah. Another faller I have. Although I'm not sure if he's a faller kay Nico, but he's a faller sa akin. Brother, Brian Sahonia
Yeah,
went,
he really fell. But I was gonna say Brian Sohonia next kung wala na gano'n. Yeah, he
brother,
really
he
fell.
went, yeah, what happened?
Di ko alam ano meron kay Brian Sohonia. He fell all the way to round 4.
That's a dip, brother. That's a massive dip for Brian Sahonia.
Kilala niyo ba
And
yung mga Aldave, like, to be honest, kilala niyo ba yung mga Dolan Adlawan, Aldave Kanoy?
The
No,
come on.
si
Come
James
on,
Una kilala ko
James.
pa eh. Pero si
Kilala ko
Brian
din si James,
Sohonia,
James
but
Una
come
kilala
on.
ko. If
but
Yeah.
si,
Mario doesn't know the guy, then that guy's really
with his
unknown.
expertise in the field of
Oh,
with his expertise, magtaka ka na.
grabe. With this sports book.
Knowledge,
Talaga
with
ng
his
ano.
sports,
Oh man.
His book of
Oh
sports.
man.
his
Oh
book of
man.
sports.
Not gonna lie, guys. That might be one of the funniest things you guys have ever said. That might be one of the funniest.
Hey, what about si Sean Kitevis falling to TNT?
Oh, that's
Diba?
Ay
expected.
na, na.
I've been
I
telling Mario
yeah.
na TNT will get Sean Kitevis ever since he practiced with them in
Ah,
saan
okay.
to? Yung sa Inspire. He's been practicing with him with Inspire. And that's also the Ateneo connection. And pagiging
Yeah.
Okay.
Cebuano.
Bro, that's the third. That's the they have another Glenn Cobuntin in lost in on TNT, man. Uh, if you have
Na
game
6 flat.
seven, meron na kayo, may game game 7 Glenn kayo. Now you have a game 2 Sean Kitevis or something.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh yeah, game 2 Sean
man,
Kitevis UAP Finals.
game 2 Sean Kitevis, guys. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Very
No.
niched,
I
very
remember.
niched.
But like, yeah. What was I saying before that? I was talking about something
Weird
before that.
Brian Sahonia. So Brian
Yeah,
Sahonia
Brian
falling to
Sahonia was a
Northport.
dip, man. That's a dip. That's a
Do you think he
very
gets
big
signed?
dip.
Do you think he gets signed by Northport? Mahirap din. Or pwede. He has, in the fourth round, he has the best chance to get signed.
Oh, kasi hindi lahat to yung
Mm,
masasign di ba? Remember
yeah,
that.
yeah, not all of
Hindi
them. I
lahat
think out of
masasign.
everybody in the fourth round, yung pinaka may chance masign is number one, Brian Sahonia, and number two, Ladis Lepalaw.
This, because it's just
Oo.
big.
Pero
And Coach
kasi,
Norman can develop big men.
Norman, but Coach Norman?
Coach Norman is still associated with
Consultant.
Meralco,
Isn't
right?
Coach,
Consultant in a
oh,
way.
I don't know. I thought he was full-time SEA Games na.
Baka may
But
involvement pa,
full,
I don't know.
yeah.
May involvement pa naman siguro
But
with Meralco.
But I'm
Anyway.
not super sure about Ladis kasi may Bates ka na, may Almazan ka na, may Raymar Jose ka na. Like, is Ladis Lepalam gonna outplay any of those centers? I'm
Siguro
not.
Lalis Lepalam can play if Brandon Bates is injured again.
I hope not, man. I hope
Yeah.
Brandon's healthy.
Ayun
I
na yung
saw
point. Yun lang
though,
talaga.
yeah, didn't Alvin Pasaol and Jolo Mendoza get released from Meralco na?
Alam ko I can't confirm with Jolo pero si Pascual alam ko wala na rin.
Yeah,
Comment
I saw an
section, please
article
let us
about it.
know kung sino pang nasa Meralco if kung tama ba yung sinabi ni Mario.
Yeah, but that's a fall also for me. Is the Brian Sahonia one talaga. And then in the fifth, sixth, and seventh rounds, if I'm being so honest with you, I don't, I'm not super sure about many of these guys, man. The
Mario,
Jordan,
we thought yung si Nico, sahon niya, he had him parang
yeah,
10th
he had
pick,
him low.
second round.
Yeah.
Parang na tayo, di ba?
Naggalit
We were
pa nga kayo sa
surprised.
akin eh.
Hey,
Man,
man, Hey man, wait.
Proud.
I'm not letting Nico get away with this. He told me the X factor of this draft was Gerard Wilson. I'm not letting him get away.
Hey man, he
I
still
ain't
got
letting that go
drafted.
by.
Where is he?
I ain't
It's
let
round
I,
7?
yeah,
Round
he got
6?
drafted in
Round
round
6.
six. He got drafted
Blackwater.
3 rounds.
He's gonna learn under sino ba to? Cedric Bearfield. That's his
Oh
protege.
my god.
If he gets signed.
If
Oh
he gets signed.
my god. Like, dude, again, this another thing where the lack of PBA teams. But then, one more thing I want to add. There's a player who I think could be a very big steal is JM Bravo. Yun talaga, man.
JM
Yeah,
Bravo
yeah.
I'm,
fell all the way to round 6. We had him second round. Si Bravo.
brother, I love J. No, we didn't
Oh,
have him second round. We had him like third. But I love JM Bravo, brother. He's good. JM Bravo is good. And you know who rose? You know who rose? Deo Quaho rose.
I had Deo Quaho second round.
oo.
He was
Nauna
not.
pa
Did
nga
you
kami
have
sa
Deo? Oh
Honda
yeah,
yun
you
sa'yo
did.
eh.
Oh, may Deo
Yeah. You
Quaho.
had Deo over Brian.
Tapos may
Yeah.
Kobe Monhead din ako, round 2.
Yeah.
Eh, Kobe Monhe, round 2, di ba?
Oy, round 2
Tama
din
ako
sa
dun.
amin yun ah. Hey, Graham, did you end up computing it? Did you end up computing
Hey,
Kinumpit
next
mo ba lahat?
episode, brother. Next
Oo,
episode.
mahirap na. Pinapamaneho mo eh.
I'm gonna show the
Just so you
listeners.
guys know, diba, may mock draft kami. Tapos may ginawang point system si Graham na napakalupit. I don't know if you
Yeah,
guys can read it, but like it's
Si
so
Graham.
wild that he had the time to do
I'm
this.
gonna
May
show
time
it next
talaga si
episode,
Graham.
brother.
Kala ko
He
ba
had the
English
Talaga.
time to
major
do
ka, ba't
this.
biglang naging math major ka?
Hey, that's what you get when your wife graduates as cum laude in economy.
So, nakuha
Oh,
mo.
Yeah,
the flex, brother. I like it. That's a
yeah.
good flex, man. Well,
It's a good it's a good an English major sperm and an
Hmm.
economist
mm,
Excel. Yeah.
mm. Those are two words I wasn't expecting to hear in tonight's episode, if I'm being honest with you.
Damn.
Those are
What
two
up?
words.
Ibang klase yun, Graham ah.
Was not really
That's
expecting those two words tonight, but hey, yes.
You'll never know
Uh,
with Graham.
do you have any more steals sa
Oh
draft na
yeah,
to?
do we have more steals? Or done with risers and fallers? Any more steals? Yeah, maybe Royce Mantua with SMB at round 3 is a good
Pwede.
Royce Mantua with the Adamson Soaring
Ah,
Falcons.
ah, brother, I know Graham will agree with me on this. I think Chris Miller for SMB at
Oh
number
yeah,
9
Chris
was a steal.
Miller.
hey,
Hindi, pero
yon.
steal ba yun? But Chris Miller has been outside our mock drafts. He's been consistent 8 to 10.
To
But
Graham,
he
it's a
could very
steal.
yeah, he could very
No,
well be a steal as
not
well.
to me, not to me. Dun sa mga nagko-comment, hey, do you know Chris Miller? This is the James Harden of the okay.
Si Mikey Williams
So
reincarnated,
steal ba to? Does
mentored
it consider as a
10.
steal or a reach?
I think
Pero
for
gets ko why he
SM
got drafted. Why I
I think for
understand why.
SMB to get him is a steal.
Okay. To
I
fall at
just because it was SMB na nakakuha sa kanya. Kung ibang team nakakuha sa kanya, it would have been fine. But because SMB was able to get him out of
parang
everybody,
added firepower, no? If
oo.
ever it all clicks for them, si Chris Miller.
Oo.
Brother,
Tapos
anyone
no,
SMB gets is a steal because they don't need anything. Yeah,
Everyone,
it's like the politicians stealing money from people. They don't need the money. They get it anyway. Yeah.
everyone, everyone SMB gets. Did SMB take anybody after that first round?
that's a good
Did they take
question.
it?
No. Justin Guevara,
Royce Mantua. Royce Mantua.
Alex Inigo, JC
Uy,
Oh,
Cruz.
sino yun? Axel Enigo ba to, Mario?
De Alex nakalagay.
Alex.
I
Oh,
Ah,
I
there's an
also thought it was
Achi.
Axel. I thought it was Axel also when they first said it, but it says Alex. So
anyway, ang nagmamatter lang si Chris Miller at si Royce Mantua. So, we could say Chris Miller will get signed. Si Royce
For
Mantua
sure.
50-50 pa. Hindi pa tayo sigurado kay Royce Mantua.
yeah. But overall, the draft was, I would personally say, it the picks that were made were kind of surprising
Yeah,
Mm.
for me.
that's the
Like,
thing about the draft.
yeah, we'd never know. Congrats to all of them though, and I hope at least half of them. I don't think half of them are gonna get signed. Maybe like, I hope a good number of them get signed naman, dude.
Yeah. Anything else
Take
like
note,
sa
then
dito sa draft?
that just highlights the lack of teams in the PBA because
Yes, I wish we had 15. That would be fun. 15 teams.
that is right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hey man, again, we're gonna make that episode. Oh, by the way,
Mm.
before we close the episode, we discussed it kanina. Um, we're gonna be doing the sixth man fantasy NBA fantasy
Ah,
league.
yes, yes. Go.
Yes, we are going to be doing the sixth man fantasy league. Um, I forgot what we said it was. Um, I will iron out the details in the comment section. I'll iron out to them. But yeah, this is your me, Nico, and Graham will all be playing this season. We'll all be playing. And then, let us know if you guys want to join. I'll fix it up in the comment section. So I'll
Mm.
make a group chat and everything if you guys agree. And yeah, if a lot of you guys messaged us asking about it. So if you guys want to, we're gonna fix it up. Yeah.
Papapremyo ko yung ano, yung jersey ko ni Polly kasi hindi ko na ginagamit eh.
Premyo ba yun?
Hey man, you
Yeah,
gotta keep that. You don't know when
well,
the next bet would
great.
be.
Yeah, I know. All right, I'll keep it.
Premyo or
Unfortunate.
punishment?
Oh, the next punishment na naman. But anyway, guys, yun lang naman. What do
Punishment.
you guys think about this draft? Let us know in the comments. Sino ba yung biggest risers nyo, biggest fallers, biggest surprises, and biggest steals? Let us know in the comments. And as always, oo nga pala, before we end this, no, Mario and I will be starting our UAP podcast soon. Dito pa rin sa Six Man. We're gonna have our team previews. We're gonna have
Yep.
our breakdown na for the teams. And Graham could
Yep.
join, of course, could join and learn from us too. Kasi si Graham is
Yeah.
admittedly a new UAP follower, but this is the perfect time
Yeah.
for Graham to
Yeah,
learn.
I stopped watching when Kiefer graduated. It was a
Oh,
big
that's a long time.
Speaking of Kiefer.
So 12 years?
What do
Speaking
you
of
mean?
Kiefer.
No. 8 years naman lang ata, brother. Grabe ka.
Kiefer?
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, when did he
2017.
graduate?
Brother,
Ay,
No,
actually, you know
no,
what,
no, no,
Him? I
no.
may
I
be wrong. I may be
graduated.
wrong.
No, no, 2015 pala. So it's been 10 years.
10.
10 years, 10
10.
years, 10 years, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a
10
The
whole
years.
last
decade.
time the last time Graham watched the UAAP, UP was still at the bottom of the standings because they didn't have any funding.
Oo, nagba-bonfire pa sila kada panalo, di ba?
Exactly.
Every win
Now,
is...
now when UP loses, it's a riot out there.
I
It's
know.
the, no, never. And yeah, yeah, like what Nico said, man. That's gonna
Last time
start
I
really.
watched
I mean,
UAAP, VJ Pre was still not in UP. That's...
Damn.
hey,
Hey, man.
hey,
Hey, man.
That's what I'm saying,
hey,
man. Was
hey,
I wrong? Am I wrong?
hey.
But yeah, anyway, yun lang naman. For those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. This is Six Man Pod with Nico, Mario, and Graham. See you, boys.
Adios, amigos. Good luck. What's the name?
Sonny
Still.
Steel.